Today in this video, we will show you how to send a WooCommerce order notification on WhatsApp. At first, you need to integrate the WooCommerce store with the integration menu. In a different video, we explained how to integrate a WooCommerce store. This video description includes a link to the video. If you haven't already, please watch the video. After integrating the WooCommerce store, you need to create a message template. To create a message template, go to WhatsApp Bot Manager and select the bot account. Then, go to Message Template. Here, we can create a message template manually, or use default templates. To create default templates, just click on the Create Default button. It will create 4 different templates for different uses. Also, it will create some variables. We have already created default message templates. After creating default templates, you need to check the status of the templates. To check status, just click on the Check Status button. Make sure the message template is approved before using it. Now, let's go to the WooCommerce and Shopify automation. Click on the Create button to create an automation campaign for sending WooCommerce order notifications. As soon as you click on the button, it will provide a form to create the campaign. First, you need to give the campaign a name. Then, select the store type. Select the store API. Then we have action. Select the action as order notification. Then we have a message delay. By default, it's 0 minute, you can change it if you want. Here is the message template. Depending on the action, the appropriate message template is automatically selected. In the message template there is a variable called System Delivery After Days. We can add a static delivery time in days or just keep it blank for mapping the store's delivery date. You can add the number of days that your store will take for the delivery. Then we have label and sequence. We can assign a label and sequence to the user. Click on the form field to select the label and sequence. Finally, save the campaign. That's it. Let's put this campaign to the test by placing an order on the WooCommerce store. Let's go to the store and create an order. Yes, it has sent the message on WhatsApp. To send a WooCommerce order notification on WhatsApp. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.